Hey, boy, dude. Bottom line is you push the girl.
Go small, so I don't trust nobody. No squares up in it. They're trying to make a pentagon, so I don't trust nobody. Just me and my team. Just me and my team. Just me and my team. I keep.
Don't put us on there.
Don't put us on
I won't put you on Facebook. I'll send you.
We don't have Facebook in our homes.
Don't put us on Facebook or on
Nah, I'll send it.
Why are you gonna put us naked there?
No,
Did I take naked pictures now?
No.
Nah, I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Alright?
Thank you.
You guys have a good night.
Take care.
I'll see you guys. 2 new fans.
It's the cartel.
You guys have no idea how popular you are in England?
Yeah. We record our life.
Wow, that's kind of cool though. I wish I could do that because, you know, I have a very interesting life.
So we doing this?
Yeah, it's about it. We rep Team Musala though.
Sometimes when you have to back, oh, Ichi.
Sheesh, making these beats.
Maybe it's the way you looking at me so intuitively.
Thank you. That's so stupid. It's okay, calm down. No, it's not dirty like dirty in a bad way, but like you know when you're mad, you say African American like in an angry way. That's like, bye. No wonder you guys stupid. Like he just came out of nowhere with an attitude.
Baby. You okay? No. What's going on?
No. Fine.
Alright, later.
Heard it.
Later. Heard it. Later, dude. It's the Cahtel. Just came into the new year, 2013. I want to thank you guys for the support last year, 2012. The goal was to just make a name for ourselves, which we did. Did Dora Diaspora, besides that song, Cahtel. That we had a couple little things that people got used to the Cahtel name. Now this year we're gonna be touring. We will be in the UK a lot. Ciao.
You said everything. Okay, but for sure we hitting up Zimbabwe. Team Musala stand up. So we just want to let you guys know, ladies, we love you. We got a song specifically for.
I love my Zimbo girls.
Zimbo girls.
That's coming.
We sound out all y'all. So
shout out to the Vimbo, because I know she's cold recording this right now. I know she's like.
Young Mugabe, he's making money right now. That's
smiling now. You want to get on the camera with us?
Dude, yo, free taxi right now, dude. Call the taxi, it's free.
Later. Say later. Peace.
It's the cartel.
Her name was Cahtel. Good time. She called. I am